Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making slime. It's going to look like this. It won't stretch that much, but it's still going to be fun to play with. And now I'm going to tell you the ingredients. First we need some glue, activator. In the activator you have to put 1 teaspoon of borax and a little bit of hot water. Next we need something to mix with and a cup. We need something to mix with and a cup. Now we need some baking soda. Wait, where's my gloves gone? Bob! You took one of my gloves. Hey, Pop, you took another one. And we need some gloves too. And don't forget the glitter, it's the best part. Yeah, it's so nice and sparkly. Bob, are you okay because the kittens attacked you? Yeah, I nearly lost my eye. Oh, this eye? Yeah. But they're still really cute. Yeah, they are really cute. I like them. And now we're going to start making the slime. First we get the glue and we pour it in the cup. It doesn't matter how much you put it in. If you put in a little bit, you only get a little slime. And if you put in lots, you'll get a big slime. And now we're going to put the baking soda in. We only need to put a little bit in. This much should be enough. And we start off with a little bit of the activator. We only need a teaspoon for the first. And mix well. It looks so nice and really gooey. I think this is going to be a good slime. You have to mix well to get a good mixture. I love this slime, it's so nice, but I think we need to put some glitter in. Bob, Pop, can you bring over the glitter? Oops, oops. Bob, Pop, you spilled the glitter. Oh well, we can put in the slime now. Okay. It's so beautiful. Bob, Pop, do you think we should make it more glittery? Yeah, I think it should be more glittery. Okay. We have to add it in slowly because glitter comes out fast. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time. Bye, and Merry Christmas. Meow. Meow.